Okay, so the last thing we have to do is add the two icons to the left of our email and our password text. So let's go ahead and do that now. I'd like a fresh start with this canvas, so let's go ahead and go up to View and Clear Guides. And we're also going to zoom in. Let's go up to 150%. There we go. Now I'm going to show you the quick hack way to grab a layer from a different document. So let's go into the login.png. Now if we wanted to take this email icon and just change it over into ours and grab it as a layer, we could just use the magic wand tool, and I'll have that selected. Select the gray triangle on top, and then while holding shift, select the rest of it, and we'll come up to our move tool, hover over it so we see these scissors, and we'll just cut it out of the document, and while holding that, drag it in here, and still while holding it, drag it right down here. So that's one way to do it. But we could also just draw it ourselves using the reference. So if we were to zoom in to, let's say, 1000%, there we go, and we'll create a new layer. We'll call this layer Mail. We can just use our pen tool. Let's come over here, grab our pen tool, and we'll start drawing. So let's start in this bottom left corner. While holding shift, come to this top the top left corner here, and while not holding shift now, we'll come to the center, back up here. Now that we're doing a straight line, let's hold shift again, and we'll come back over here, once again holding shift. Let's go ahead and create this selection, make selection, okay, and we're just going to fill this with the same color that it currently is using. So let's use our eyedropper tool, get this color. It's now in our foreground, and we'll paste it. Now let's hit Control or Command D to deselect, and we're going to do the exact same thing on the top part with our pen tool. So select the corner, while holding shift, select this corner, select the very bottom corner, and put it inside. You'll see a little circle appear. Make sure it's inside this one to connect them, and anywhere inside, right click, make selection. Alright, and we'll go ahead and fill this one as well. There we go. So now we have two mail layers. We can hide this mail layer that we just created. Awesome. So let's go ahead and delete the one we cheated and just dragged in here. Oops. Let's first hit Control or Command D, and let's delete this layer too. And let's do the same thing for the password. I want to come over here, and I'm just going to actually drag this one. You guys get the idea. We'll drag this color, use our magic wand tool, grab our scissors, make sure it's inside the image, and let's just cut it out while holding, drag it over here, and drop it in. Make sure it's even. Okay, let's take a look. I'm going to zoom out to 50%. Okay, there you have it. We have successfully recreated the Udemy sign-in screen, and it looks almost exactly perfect. Now we can move on to a little bit more fun design, if you will. We're going to be designing the actual experience of the Udemy app.